My name is Leon Kochian, and I'm a Canada Excellence Research Chair in Global Food Security. I'm also the Associate Director of the Global Institute for Food Security here on campus and a professor in the Department of Plant Sciences. I'm a plant molecular physiologist, and we conduct research studying how crop plants can adapt to marginal soils, how they can do better with less. A lot of this focuses on root biology and how we can identify the genes and mechanisms and use that for improving crops in terms of breeding for better root systems. I've been at the University of Saskatchewan a little more than a year and a half. The recruitment took a couple of years because of the nature of the Canada Excellence Research Chair, so this has been ongoing for about 3.5 years, but I've been here about a year and a half, spent a lot of that time building this team of professors and younger scientists across these disciplines. You know, we're hiring not just molecular biologists and physiologists and geneticists, but microbiologists, ecologists, postdocs, graduate students, technicians, and partnering those with physicists, engineers, computer scientists. I've been really impressed with the kind of can-do attitude and positive attitude, and also the willingness to kind of think outside the box and try to put together teams across different departments. There's a much more of a positive attitude here about research and investing in research. It comes from the federal government, the provincial government, and the university here. And this allows you to do the kind of broad, multidisciplinary research that we need to do to really make progress in agricultural research, particularly the crop side of agricultural research. It's becoming a big science. Here you have a unique combination of the willingness to find the resources and the technological resources unique, like the Canadian Light Source and the Fedoric Center, the world-class cyclotron, that you don't see often co-located at one university. We're training the next generation of agricultural scientists, and they're not going to be just trained in soil science or agronomy or plant molecular biology. In my group, they're cross-trained because we have these professors that will be co-mentoring from the different disciplines. So if they're getting into, say, the phenotyping side of things, they can work with a bioengineer, maybe a physicist on the optics. But as they gather that data, they could be learning some molecular genetics to kind of dissect that data in terms of ways in which we could improve crops through molecular breeding. Well, the University of Saskatchewan is a place where they've got a vision that I haven't seen at other universities to be able to invest and build these multidisciplinary teams that are needed for the kind of research I wanted to do. I'm seeing this university recruiting, top scientists from the US. I think this vision helps drive that.